Okay, y'all. Now I'm back. I should have just did a vlog. Really, I should have just did a whole day vlog because it's the same day with the noodles. So the noodles was delicious. I didn't drink the pot liquor, as I call it. I don't know if y'all call it that. I didn't drink the pot liquor, but I did eat the noodles. And they were delicious. Now I'm about to make my tea. I always tell y'all how I make my tea with pick up my cup with so many different tea bags. So let me start. So when I don't feel like waiting for the water to boil in my teapot, I'll just use my carrot. So I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. First tea bag, ginger, yogi. I got these from Walmart. Peach detox. True blueberry and wild berry zinger. So I'm going to start with that. One of each one. It's the last one of that one. And the this is the ginger. I had to throw that in the trash. What else I need? Oh, I use 2 tablespoons of sugar. Like I said, and I don't know what video, I ran out of honey. I gotta get some honey. So that's my sugar. I can put this back. Oh, let me get my apple cider vinegar. I usually drink my tea in the day, early in the day. That way I'll have my apple cider vinegar already. But, let me show y'all. From Walmart, I usually use Bragg's with the mother. If you get apple cider vinegar, always make sure it say with the mother. But Bragg's is like the best one. But you couldn't beat the price for this one. So I pour just that much. Everybody say I pour a lot of apple cider vinegar. And when I say everybody, I mean my mom. Okay, so what else? Cut my lemon. I got these cutting boards from Amazon. They got the little, I'll show you. I got like vegetable, fruit. One got meat on it. Like they tell you what to cut on it. I don't even know if I get the right one. Yeah, this one say vegetable. I think they got one for just vegetables and fruit. So I'm going to use the carrot for the sake of this video to let the water run in it. So I'll be back. So about to start the tea. Come on. Lemon smells so good. I love lemon. I always put 2 slices of lemon. And if I don't have lemon, sometimes I just use lemon juice. If I don't have lemons. So the carrot that I have is like a space-saving carrot. So I don't know if they have anything to do with that it doesn't fill this cup up. So what I have to do is open it again and put it on a different, y'all see the different settings? So I start with this one, then I put it on the small one because it's not, as y'all can see, it's not filled up. So I just wait and see if it lets me. Sometimes I gotta wait a little while. See how it's not lighting up? I gotta wait till it lights up. Watch. Alright. Now, y'all see it's about to light up. Don't make me a liar. Don't make me out to be a liar. Okay, it's lighting up. Then I press the smallest one. And then it'll fill up just right. But I had to put my lemons in there. I hope it's not too full for my lemons. I hope not. I don't want any seeds. Come on, come on, come on. It's heating up. Okay. Just enough. Perfect. So I'm gonna put my lemons in there and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. And this is what I was talking about. Each cutting board has vegetables or either fruit or meat. It lets you know what to cut on the I think I got 3 or 4 of them. But that is the tea. I already started. And I'm sure it's delicious. My tea be so good. Tea relaxes me. The apple cider vinegar really helps you with weight loss, and it's good good for your body. So I always put it in, and it's hard to drink, so I really don't like it in my water. I will drink it in my water, but I either put it in my tea or my smoothies. My mom don't like the way it tastes in the smoothies, so I usually make the smoothies for us, for me and her, so I'll just put it in my tea. So, yes, let me know if y'all like tea. A lot of people don't like tea, but let me know if y'all do. But, this is how I make my tea. I gotta wrap those lemons up, wash these dishes, and get finished watching my movie. I watched a couple movies. If y'all haven't seen, Miss Virginia on Netflix, that is really good, with the girl from, The Orange is the New Black. Crazy Eyes, if y'all watched that, it was good. And I've been watching, these movies that's on Lifetime also, so... the one I'm watching now is called Baby Monitor Killers. Something like that. But alright, y'all, if y'all like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how I make my tea. And you never know, it might be somebody out there that don't know how to make tea. So maybe I'll help someone. Leave me a comment, let me know if y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys, ciao. Bye, my fashion now. Bye, y'all.